There's no solo in Creep by Radiohead, but we can add one. We can add solo to anything. I want to show you how to play the changes. And we're going to use arpeggios today to do that. I love the sound of sweep arpeggios. So we can take this G, the E shape, maybe the B, E shape again, C, C minor. Maybe I want to go to this one. That's that C shape. Maybe I want to go to, so from here I can go like maybe a, to the B. And then the C. C minor. Then I'm going into minor pentatonic and picking up elements of the mixolydian right there. Then I can maybe, I went back to that G, but then I added in a major 7 to make it a G major 7. It just kind of colors it up a little bit. Maybe, yeah, maybe like that. Maybe to the, and there's all kinds of different things we can do there. And I really like how I, shifting into that pentatonic there, maybe get that. And maybe do like a 3-octave arpeggio there or something like that. There's just all kinds of different options. And you're really, when you're playing the changes, man, it just sounds really cool. But that's a simple chord progression. I think that anybody could work with, and it's beautiful. You can do some beautiful guitar work with it. So enjoy.